If you need to retrieve your Wi-Fi password but can't remember where you wrote it down or which device it's stored on, don't worry. You can easily find it using Command Prompt on a Windows computer. Go to your search bar and search for CMD and click Enter. Netch is a command-line scripting utility that allows you to display or modify the network configuration of a computer that is currently running. Netch commands can be run by typing commands at the Netch shell and be used in batch files or scripts. Type command netch land show profile and enter. Once you get the list of profiles, select the profile that one which have to see the password. Then type netch land show profile name equals your profile name, and key equals clear.